Okay, so this is the meter saw that I just got today, 10 inches from King Canada. So it's a big box, as you can see. You compare it to the motorcycle, it's a big box. So you can see all the specifications here, which seems good. Let's open it. Okay, so we're opening, and inside, what we got inside is this. So some instructions here. This is the filter. A couple things here. So I'm going to put that out here, and then I'm going to open this here, and you got the machines down there. So it's I don't know, it's almost done. So I think the assembly should be pretty fast. So it looks like it is like that. Okay, so I'm going to take it out from the box right now. So now I got the machine in here. It's there's nothing to assemble. It's just a few parts, and the machine comes right as it is, as you can see it here. So it's ready to work. It's ready to work, and it has the move in here, so I can cut the wood very nicely. Pretty nice. It's looking pretty nice for now.